In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar as a Calendly alternative. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, many of us are familiar with Calendly and how it allows us to schedule meetings seamlessly, but did you know you can achieve a similar level of efficiency using Google Calendar? That's right. Google Calendar can be a powerful tool for managing your appointments and meetings without having to rely on a third-party software. So let's dive right into it. First things first, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and open Google Calendar. You can easily do this by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. If you aren't signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Just enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself on the Google Calendar dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the upper right corner of the page. Here, you'll find options to navigate through different time frames. You can switch between the month, week, or day views easily. Choose one that feels most comfortable for you. For scheduling, I usually prefer the week view because it gives me a clear picture of my upcoming obligations. Now let's say you want to create a new calendar in order to categorize your appointments. On the left side of the screen, you should see a My Calendars section. Click on the plus sign next to it and then select Create New Calendar. You can give this calendar a specific name. For example, if you want to create a calendar specifically for your business meetings, you could name it something like Work Meetings. This helps keep everything organized, and you can easily distinguish between personal and work commitments. Once you've created your new calendar, it's time to dive into setting up events. On the left side, you'll also find an option to Create Event. It might be hard to miss because it's prominently displayed. Click on that. When the event creation window pops up, you can fill out all the details regarding your meeting. Start by giving your event a title. This could be anything from a client meeting to a team brainstorming session. Be sure to set the date and time to when the meeting will take place. If it's a recurring meeting, Google Calendar makes it simple to set that up as well. Look for the option that allows you to repeat the event according to your preferred frequency. Now here's the neat part. You can invite others directly through Google Calendar. Just add the email addresses of your participants in the Add Guests section, and they'll receive an invitation. This makes it super easy to coordinate with others without the back-and-forth email chain. After you've filled out all the necessary information, go ahead and click Save. You'll be prompted to send invitations to your guests if you've added anyone. Click Send if you're ready, and those invites will go out right away. Now, if you want to streamline your scheduling process even further, consider using Google Calendar's Appointment Slots feature. This is particularly useful if you want to allow others to book time with you. To do this, click on a time slot in your calendar and select Appointment Slots. You can define the duration of each appointment and set intervals, allowing others to book specific times that fit their schedules as well. In this way, Google Calendar becomes a simple yet effective alternative to Calendly. It may take a little getting used to, but once you familiarize yourself with its features, you'll find it's extremely functional. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to use Google Calendar as a Calendly alternative. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay updated on similar tips and tricks in the future. Happy scheduling, and I'll see you in the next video.